The 2025 McLaren Automotive is a masterpiece that embodies the pinnacle of innovation, performance, and luxury. With a bold, aerodynamic design that merges form and function seamlessly, this car is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Every curve and line of its lightweight carbon fiber body has been meticulously sculpted to enhance aerodynamics, ensuring optimal airflow and downforce. The striking LED lighting, aggressive front splitter, and signature dihedral doors announce its presence with authority, leaving an unforgettable impression on the road. Beneath the surface lies a beastly twin turbocharged V8 engine paired with hybrid electric technology, delivering an astonishing 850 horsepower and propelling the car from 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 2.5 seconds. This powertrain is complemented by an advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides seamless gear shifts, ensuring both breathtaking acceleration and smooth cruising. McLaren's state-of-the-art ProActive Chassis Control enhances handling with adaptive suspension that reads the road in real time, offering precision and stability on every turn. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising highways, the driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. Inside, the cabin reflects McLaren's commitment to luxury and innovation. High-quality materials, such as Alcantara and premium leather, adorn every surface, while customizable ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. The advanced infotainment system, featuring a large portrait-oriented touchscreen, offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the technology remains cutting-edge. A premium sound system by Bowers & Wilkins transforms the cabin into a concert hall, but many drivers may prefer to bask in the symphony of the roaring engine. What truly sets the 2025 McLaren apart are its groundbreaking innovations. The car features active aerodynamics, with retractable rear wings and dynamic air channels that adapt to driving conditions for unparalleled performance. Cutting-edge driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and 360-degree cameras, make the supercar surprisingly practical for everyday use. Comfort doesn't take a back seat, as the seats are ergonomically designed for long drives, blending support and elegance. The 2025 McLaren Automotive redefines the supercar category, offering a harmonious blend of blistering speed, luxurious comfort, and groundbreaking technology, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike.